Hi, I'm Jasmeen. I'm a final year accounting and business management student here at Montfort University. As part of my course, I undertook a placement year at Pfizer, the global pharmaceutical company. My role was in the HR team at Pfizer, where I worked on recruiting undergraduates who wanted to do a placement year at Pfizer. I think for me, the most rewarding part of my placement year was the fact that I worked with a lot of people. The work that I was doing was having actual impact, and I could see it in real life as well. So I'm an international student from India, and I actually didn't know what a placement year was. The careers team actually told me what the placement year means, all the opportunities that are available there, and how I can get those opportunities. They obviously help you with the usual things of running over your CV, helping you prepare for the interviews, helping you find the right role for you. But at the end of the day, it's also good to have a bunch of people who know what you're trying to do and who are always there to support you, who are there to give you words of encouragement and kind of tell you that you can do it. I think moving across countries for my university was a daunting step for me, and I knew I wanted to move to Leicester. And when I was looking for universities, I wanted to be part of a place where I would feel like I belong, where I would have a sense of community, and I wanted to be somewhere I wouldn't feel that different. And I think DMU was the perfect place for me. I was literally in India looking up pictures and all the different things that DMU does, all the different initiatives, all the different societies and clubs, and I found out that DMU would be a place where I could actually grow and at the same time feel like I belong here, feel like I deserve a seat at the table. Something that I really like about Leicester is how vibrant it is. I am big on Indian food, and when I moved here, I was craving Indian food all the time, and Leicester is a perfect place to be if you really like Indian food, if you really like any kind of food. I think for me, it has to be the fact that there are so many different types of people here, and you learn so much about different cultures, different religions, and that is the best kind of environment to be when you're growing, when you're learning about life, when you're learning about word. So for me, something about Leicester that speaks out to me is the fact that I am learning so much here, not just about books, but about the people, about the word.